Okay, in today's unboxing video we have a brand new Sailor fountain pen. It's the 10th edition in their cocktail series. This is the Sailor Kure Azure fountain pen, and I'm probably not saying that right, I apologize, but this is the 10th edition released in their cocktail series. It comes in the white sleeve. Once that's removed, you have the traditional blue gift box with the Sailor logo in gold on top. Inside you'll have the Sailor logo again on the interior of the lid, and this is a satiny material in kind of a silvery cream color. You pull your fountain pen out. It's in a sleeve to protect it. Let's set it aside for just a second while we go through the box. So you lift up the false bottom there, and inside you'll have a little bit of information about the company. This is information about your North American limited warranty. There's more information from Sailor about your pen. Your fountain pen also comes with a Sailor ink converter. Your pen also comes with 2 Sailor ink cartridges. Okay, this is your Kure Azure fountain pen from Sailor. It's a brand new release. We just got it in stock, so we're excited to see it in person. And this clear blue resin body, it's a demonstrator obviously, against this almost fluorescent, a greenish yellow finial is fantastic. I love the contrast they have going on between this bright blue, it's like a deep but bright blue, and this finial. And the finial also has the Sailor logo in gold. And then you have your gold trim and your traditional gold ring around here at the back end of the barrel. And then you have your thick gold ring followed by your thin gold ring at the bottom edge of the cap. It says Sailor, Japan, founded 1911. It's a screw-on cap. You've got your gold nib. This is a cartridge converter pen. The Sailor pens do use proprietary ink cartridges. You do have 2 included with your pen purchase. When you want to use your pen, you just unscrew the barrel from the section, and then you'll take either your ink cartridge or your ink converter and insert it right in here so that it connects with the nib section. And then you'll screw your barrel back on, and it's ready to go. So that's the Kure Azure fountain pen. Go ahead and order yours at penchalet.com.